How would you like to prepare a healthy avocado, spinach and grape smoothie? A single glass has more than 80% of the fibers you need in a day. Let's do it! Let's start by peeling and slicing a pear. Pears are naturally sweet, rich in fibers and antioxidants. By the way, if you haven't done it already, hit that subscribe button below. We release healthy recipes like this one once a week. Don't miss out! Next, we will prepare the avocado. With its healthy omega-3 fats, avocados are our best friends when it comes to expelling bad cholesterol from our bodies. Get your blender and add in some fresh spinach leaves, some grapes, and a sliced fruit. Now, let's get some more nutrients in. Let's add in chia seeds, superfood baobab powder, wheat bran for even more fibers, some fresh mint, and some almond butter for a nice protein boost. Let's add in some water to help the ingredients blend together. And now the fun part, blitzing. The smoothie is now ready to be served. Enjoy it while it lasts! Hi there! Thanks for watching this to the end. If you like what you saw, please help us grow our channel by following us and by liking and sharing the video. Thank you and have a great day!